Today on Chef Dawg, we are doing chicken katsu, seasoned and breaded slices of chicken breast with rib meat, katsu sauce, and panko breading. Right now this is going, what, for $14.53 at Costco. So there are a few different ways you can cook this. You can cook it in a frying pan or you can cook it in our air fryer. I'm going with the air fryer. Plus it's a little bit better for you anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna follow the instructions. We're gonna cook it just like it says and we'll see how this thing turns out. Okay, this is what you get. Pre-cooked chicken. That's the sauce. And then that's the breading, because we're gonna bread the chicken. And drain that out. Separate the chicken slices. And the next thing, cut off top a powdered egg pouch. Ah, that's what this is. Half cup of water. Yep, I'm gonna whisk that. This is the egg. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna put the egg stuff on that and put it on that. I'm gonna take this, put it in there, and put that into that. Okay. There you go. We'll do this now with all of it. So preheat air fryer to 380 for 3 minutes. Place breaded chicken slice in air fryer tray and cook for 5 minutes. We'll place that. Now they're big. Okay, I got it for 5 minutes. Putting in there. Okay, so for 5 minutes, and then I will take them out, spray it, flip it and spray it again. Cooking time wise, I'm right around 9-10 minutes. Should be done. Okay, so while it's doing that, clip the corner of this off and microwave it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it in scalding hot water and let it just sit in that until that's ready. Okay, our 5 minutes are up. Come here, let's show you what it looks like. Oh, all right. Well, I'm gonna follow the instructions. It says to spray oil, cooking oil on it. So here we go. Back in for 2 more minutes. All right, it's been 2 minutes. See how it looks now. Doesn't look much different, but here you go. So now you flip it and then spray it again. And while I'm doing this, my fingers are getting really warm.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Let's get a piece out and let's look at it. That looks good. And the other side as well. I'm gonna bring my beautiful assistant over here. So here we go. What do you think, hon?
I mean, it smells good.
It does.
Yeah.
Let's give it a shot. We'll dip it in that.
I mean, what if you don't want to dip it in that?
Knowing you, good question.
It's dry.
I don't really.
It's sweet.
You think? There's kind of a little bit of a kick to it.
Yeah.
It tastes like Worcester. That's gonna be dry. I think that's the whole point of the sauce. Mama Bear had a good idea. So that was air fried. I mean, I like that. That absolutely has a kick.
You definitely need the sauce.
I think you do need the sauce because it is dry. Let's cook it in a pan. The other two. 1/3 cup of cooking oil and 2 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. Okay.
Yeah, let's try that.
So that'll cook quicker in a pan. We're gonna try that. We'll see if we like the other one more. Okay, so I put some olive oil in here. And I'm gonna cook it for 2 minutes on each side and that's it. So it definitely cooks faster. We'll see if it tastes better. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Let's flip it. There you can see that golden brown. Now, supposed to have it on a medium high. So 2 minutes, medium high, 2 minutes, medium high. Okay, well here you go. Now, there's the difference. Air fried.
Big difference.
And pan, cooked in the pan with oil. Let's see if it tastes any better.
So much better. Okay, this one's mine for dinner.
So that's what Mom's taking.
I'm gonna have this one.
You know what? I'm gonna have to agree.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say.
Too bad you cooked all of them in there.
I like how that turned out more.
Yeah.
And
this one better.
And I think you're right. Oh, don't thumbs down it. As far as how it tastes at the end of the day, I'd say they're very similar.
No.
Other than you just think that's a little more moist.
Yeah.
Flavor and taste wise, this is very powerful. So you can taste that a lot, regardless of which one you're eating.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't eat it without that. Well, I would. I mean, that's not bad.
I wouldn't eat this one without the sauce.
Yeah, I think the sauce is a must.
Yeah.
And that sauce, it's got a kick.
Good. It has a little kick, so just,
Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Hey, remember, consider subscribing, sharing, all those other kind of fun things that everyone that has a YouTube channel asks you to do, right? Hey, we're growing, by the way, too. Seems like every day we're getting, what, 6 or 7 or 8 new subscribers? It's cool. It's awesome to watch our little channel grow. So thanks all of you out there that support us. And your comments are awesome. Most of them.
Most. See you next time.
All right, hey. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one. Bye. It's just chicken sliced.